time for basil and some chili. And we're done. Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of Brunch Recipe, we're going to cook red curry in a pumpkin bowl. You can cook it either with the kabocha, squash, or the real pumpkin. Pumpkin has softer meat and the skin is tough. Kabocha is a very sweet squash and have a firmer texture, full of vitamin A, C, and fiber. That's why I like it more. Here are ingredients. Here is how to cook the pumpkin. First, wash it and then cut the top off and de-seed it. Cover it with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Add half cup of water underneath the rack to keep it moist. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit or until the meat is soft and cooked. I'll show you how to cook the squash later in this video. Please stay until the end. Time to cook our curry. At medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and coconut milk. Add 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste. If you like it spicier, you can always add it more later. Stir until fragrant. It takes about a couple minutes. Since today I use shrimp, it's going to be very fat. I'm going to put palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, brown sugar or regular sugar is good. And fish sauce. I'm going to put zucchini and kaffir lime leaf. Sometimes I put bamboo shoot too. And at the same time, I'm going to put coconut milk. Now I'm going to cover it and let it boil. It's time for basil and some chili. And we're done. That's it. Our curry is cooked. I can smell the nice aroma of basil and the spices from the chili paste. Now it's time to serve it in a pumpkin that we cooked earlier. How does it look? Yummy! Now I need a cup of rice to eat with it. Now I'm going to show you how to cook kabocha squash. After it's done, I'm going to scoop it out and put it in the bowl that we prepare. Wow, it looks so good. Raw squash meat is very tough and hard. Cover the squash with 2 layers of wet paper towel. Microwave for 5 to 7 minutes. To soften the meat, after microwave, cut the top off and de-seed it. This is another way to cut the top off in a star shape. Now we're going to cook the squash. First, microwave or steam it for 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to cover it with 2 layers of wet paper towel. When it's cooked, the meat should be soft. You should be able to poke a fork into it easily. Second option, bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Add half cup of water at the bottom of the rack to keep it moist. It's cooked. You actually can scrape the meat out and taste it. It's very sweet. Okay, our curry is done. I'm going to scoop it out and put it in the bowl that we prepare. Wow, it looks so good. Wow, our curry is rich and creamy and have so many layers of flavors. Sweet, salty, and spicy. Let's eat. Here is how I served the red curry in a pumpkin at my restaurant. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you like it. And please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.